Hello people, in my previous video I promised to show you different ways in which you can earn using Classiera classified WordPress theme. I made a video on how to bump ads, so I won't be repeating this. Instead, I'll put a link down in the comment section or somewhere below so you can watch and learn how to earn when you set up this feature. Next, I will show you how to make money using regular ad. Now, what is regular ad? Regular ad are those ads that free users post on your site. Here, for example, is a user ad for us too. When you come to package or packages, you will notice that this user is on a regular ad package because she is yet to purchase any ad package. So once you create an account, you have the regular ad feature and you are expected to post ad based on the settings set aside by the admin. For example, if you go to the back end, you go to Classiera options, then you come to ad manager. We have the premium ad, the regular ad, and the bump ad. Now, I want to show you how to set up the regular ad. First, I need to turn on this feature to enable people to post regular ad. Now, how many images for regular ad? Just 2. What that means is, when you're posting regular ad, you only have the option to upload just 2 images. Now here, regular ad post limits is turned on, and how many free ads can a regular user post? Here is 5 ads. So the moment you exhaust this, you have to pay to continue posting ad. This is what I mean. Here is a user. This user has posted 8 ads already. Now, if she decides to post a new one, she's going to receive a message asking her to purchase a plan. So this is one method to earn when you're using this theme. Now here, I want to show you another example. I can come to this place. How many free ad user can post? I say 0. This means the free user cannot post any ad. So let's try and see if it's going to work. Now here is a free user. When you go to packages, it has a premium package only, though it's on hold, so it's as good as not having any package at all. Now this user has just 1 ad posted. As you can see, just have 1 ad posted. Now let's see if this user can post a new ad. I click on post new ad, and here it says purchase a plan. Here, let me try another person. This has 8 already. Now let's say try and post a new ad. And we still have the same thing. Now here is this user with no ad at all, 0 ad. Let's try and post new ad, and we all end up having the same message to purchase a plan. So with this now, I've been able to show you that you can make money using this regular ad feature. Now moving to the next one, featured ad. Now in case you are allowed to post 10 free ads, for example. And here is a user who has 8 ads already. Now remember that the limit has been increased to 10 and this person has 8. There are 2 slots left for this user to use. Let's see what happens when I click on post new ad. Alright, this user can now post new ad. But remember, the ad is on regular category or is a regular ad, which is a free ad. Now on the home page of this site, this user's ad can be pushed down after some days. In order for this user to have her ad at the first page, she needs to make payment so that her ads will be featured. And when her ad is featured, it will be seen on the first page or on the first list under that particular category. So how does this user purchase a featured ad? It's very easy. Under her dashboard, then under packages, here user can purchase ad plan. Now the user will now have to choose any of these plans, and at the end of the day, her ads will be displayed at the top of the page and at the top of that category. I've done a video about featured ads. I'm going to leave the link down below so you go watch the video and learn how to complete the process. Talking about the last one, pay per post. This is a situation whereby different categories have different prices. This is what I mean. For example, this user wants to make a new post. So she clicks on new post and she chooses automotive. Pay per post will enable her to make payments before she publishes her ad. So let's go and set it up. Right now there's nothing here because she's on a regular plan. We want to add a particular amount on automotive, or we choose a post that is already published, we edit it and add a price to that category. So first, how do we go about this? We have to go to the products like this. This is what we do. We locate our post and we click on the categories. Also, I come to WooCommerce product and I need to add a new product as well. These are the 2 things I need to set up this. Now that I have what I need, it's time to begin. I want to use electronics category, for example, so that when I select electronics like this and I come down to this place, I will see a price here. Alright, so let's go back and edit electronics category. So come back here and I look for electronics, and here is electronics. So I want to say a date. How much do I charge those who want to post under electronics category? I need to ask myself that question. So I'm here under products, add new products. Remember, I want to place a price on the electronics category. So I'm going to give that product electronics. Then under visibility, this is what I need to do. Sorry, under catalog visibility, I will say hidden and I will say okay. Now, what is the price I want to set for this category? So for electronics, I want to say let's say $10. Under product category, you can say the post, and that's all I need to do here. Now hit publish. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to get the product ID, which I'll use to attach to this my category here. Okay, so you save it now. Okay, so here it's saved. So I have to go back to all products to get the product ID. Alright, now here we are under our products. Here is electronics. Here is the $10 we tweeted, and this was published a minute ago. So this is what I need here. I need this product ID, which is 663. So I'm going to copy it, then go back to the electronics category which I edited. Now what I do is now scroll down and come to this place, WooCommerce product ID, and now paste it there. Now here is the question I need to ask myself: for how long do the user have his or her post on that category? I can say $10 for just 15 days. $10 for 15 days. I'll be okay. Then I go back here, I come down here, and I update. Remember, we are editing the electronics category. Okay, and now that is done, I need to go back again. Now I'm going to reload this page and pretend like I want to post to this electronics category and see what happens. Now look at this page, you have nothing here except regular ad. So when I come up here and choose electronics, let me go down and see what happens. Wow, here is the featured ad, and here is the $10 we just set. So for me to have this post featured or posted on this category electronics, I need to pay $10. And that's not all. Electronics is $10. I can have jobs to be $5 as well. Now let's go back to the categories and add $5 to job. So go back. I'm going to look for job category now, and here are all my categories. So I'm going to look for jobs, and here we have jobs. So I'm going to edit. As that is opening, then I need to create a product ID for jobs. How do I do that? I add a new product, and here category is jobs, and visibility I put hidden because I don't want this product to appear on the shop page. Alright, so how much? I said $5. And category, say the post, add new category, and that will be all. So I say publish. Now I'm ready to get the product ID, which I'm going to add to this place, and I will choose how many days. So this is done. I go back to all products, and here I have the product ID 664, and I come down to this place, I put the product ID, and ask myself for how long or how many days. If I want 1 month, I put 30 days here. If I want 2 months, I put 60 days. If I want 3 months, I put 90. And if I want 4 months, I put 120 days. So for this, I will just need like 7 days. So I update, and I click on jobs, Just want to try clicking on jobs and see if it's going to update by itself. Yeah, it is. So for me to post anything under this category, I need to pay $5. Wow. I told you initially that Classiera is just starting. They are going places. Now, this is how to earn money. But I hope that more will be coming. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.